UIW's newest and largest construction project is making significant progress. Join us as we tour the recent updates to Founders Hall. The 9-story, 380,000 square foot building was constructed in the 1950s. Designed in a mid-century style, it featured some of the era's state-of-the-art amenities and has historic significance. It's been used by some of San Antonio's biggest companies and many generations of employees. Founders Hall will take some of the best of the historic style and update it for new and future generations. We begin on the building's west side, which will serve as the main student entrance and will open to what we call the West Entry Living Room. Here you will find a spacious lobby with plenty of seating for work, study, or socializing. To its left is the state-of-the-art high-tech center. To the right of the living room is a grab-and-go dining option. Moving through the center of the building, we find design labs for capstone project work, maker spaces, a civil engineering lab, and computer labs. Adjacent to the computer labs, we find the Cheever Auditorium, a recessed auditorium for more intimate gatherings and presentations. The ground floor is also shared with headquarters for the UIW Police Department. Moving to the first floor, we find the building's historic east entry. This area features its original marble wall panels, which were preserved with a nod toward its historic design. The entryway opens to the Avenue of the Americas, which leads us to the future home of the Liza and Jack Lewis Center for the Americas. The focal point of the area is a generous event space that features an auditorium stage and a 2-story ceiling featuring its original design. To the east, you will find the Lewis Center Reading Room with its arched ceiling structure and large windows. Global lounges will be spaces for collaboration and new ideas. A central VIP conference room can host important gatherings and guests from around the world. Opposite the Lewis Center and International Affairs spaces are classrooms and offices dedicated to the School of Mathematics, Science, and Engineering. To the east of these learning spaces is the new home of the UIW Health Services. Students, faculty, and staff will receive exams, immunizations, screenings, and more in these spacious, updated rooms. A view from the second floor shows the generous staircase, designed to be a focal point with its elegant handrails and terrazzo steps, leading to central lobbies featuring beautiful wall murals. A particular point of pride is the Interfaith Prayer Room, designed to let in plenty of natural light and provide a serene environment for prayer and reflection. The second floor is also home to the Office of International Affairs, overlooking the event space. Up the stairs once more, we move to the third floor. The west side of the floor features a finished balcony that creates welcoming and comfortable collaborative spaces. Here, we also find classrooms, studio, and office spaces for programs in the School of Media and Design. Further down the corridor, we find spacious graphic design teaching labs and additional makerspace. Facing them are open spaces for collaboration, a podcast studio, and nearby labs for communication arts. Here we find a film studio, broadcast studio, and control room for UIW TV, the university's award-winning student-run station. Further down the hall, there's KUIW, our internet radio station, and a multimedia space for UIW's student newspaper, The Logos. 3D animation and game design find their home on the third floor's south side, where we find teaching labs, collaborative spaces, and working labs. Finally, floors 4 and above continue with their transformation and will serve as blank canvases for future development. Excitement is building as we near our initial move-in date in 2026 for UIW's Founders Hall.